Chapter 6 of The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien, titled Out of the Frying Pan into the Fire, unfolds with an intriguing turn of events. Bilbo Baggins, the hero of the story, wakes up alone and realizes that he has made it to the other side of the dark and treacherous Misty Mountains. Though he contemplates the gains of returning to look for his comrades, he wisely decides that retreat is the best course of action. Wearing his invisibility ring, Bilbo stumbles upon Gandalf, the wizard, and his dwarf companions heatedly discussing their plan to come for him. Unexpectedly, Bilbo shocks them by suddenly appearing in their midst, having taken off his mysterious ring, also an aspect of his journey through the mountains that he decides to keep hidden from his friends. Keeping his composure, he narrates his exciting adventure, thus earning newfound respect from his travel companions. However, with the menacing prospect of pursuing goblins, the group wastes no time in advancing on their journey. Despite scarcity of provisions and gnawing hunger, they slide down a steep terrain and cover some ground. Yet, as dusk falls, the chilling howls of the wargs, or wild wolves, fill the air, sending them scampering up the trees for refuge. Gandalf, understanding the wargs' language, learns that they will soon collaborate with the goblins to raid nearby villages. So when the wargs and goblins join forces and initiate a forest fire designed to smoke out our protagonists, the situation becomes dire. With his characteristic wisdom and magic, Gandalf hurls burning pine cones at the wargs, driving them away momentarily. Meanwhile, the noise attracts the attention of the Lord of the Eagles and his cohort, who had been surveying the area. Just as all hope seems lost, with the fire rapidly encircling the trees and Gandalf prepared to jump to his death, the majestic Lord of the Eagles swoops down on the scene, saving Gandalf in the nick of time. The other eagles follow suit, swiftly gathering the dwarves and Bilbo and transporting them to safety in their eyries. There, they rest for the night, replenishing their lost energies with a providential feast of roast meat brought by their eagle rescuers. And that brings us to the end of Chapter 6 of The Hobbit. We hope you enjoyed this summary. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more chapter summaries. In the comments below, we'd love to hear your thoughts about this chapter. What do you think about Bilbo's decision to keep the ring hidden from his friends? Let us know.